In this video, you'll learn how to effectively get sales on your Stan Store by adding products or services. This guide will walk you through creating attractive listings and promoting your store to attract potential customers. To start, navigate to your Stan Store dashboard. Once you're on the main page, look for the option labeled Add Products or Add Services. This is usually prominently displayed on the dashboard. Click on this option to begin creating your listings. After selecting Add Products or Add Services, you will be taken to a new screen where you can input details about your offering. Here, it's essential to include a clear title, a concise description, and a price for each product or service. Make sure your descriptions highlight the benefits and features, as this will help capture the interest of potential buyers. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, check for any upload prompts or confirmation messages. If everything looks correct, proceed to save your listings. This step is crucial as it ensures your products or services are available for purchase on your store. Next, you will need to share your Stan Store link. Locate the share option within your dashboard. This typically provides you with a direct link to your store that you can copy. Once copied, you can post this link on various platforms such as social media, email, your website, or even messaging apps. Sharing your link widely increases visibility and potential sales. After sharing your store link, it's time to promote your offers. Utilize features like posts, stories, and limited time discounts to capture the attention of your audience. Regularly updating your store with new promotions can create a sense of urgency for potential buyers, encouraging them to make a purchase. Engaging with your audience is vital for driving sales. Make it a point to interact with potential customers by answering their questions and providing valuable information about your products or services. This engagement can build trust and encourage visitors to become buyers. Finally, leverage analytics to understand which products are performing best. Most platforms, including Stan Store, offer insights into sales data. By analyzing this information, you can focus your promotional efforts on the products that are most popular, maximizing your sales potential. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.